Let's move in on these guys. Come on, let's move in. Come on.
Shake me.
Come on, shake them, shake them.
Take me
shake
away.
Them. There we go.
Lend me your energy.
Yeah, so you're doing tantric sex. I don't really know what tantric sex is. As much as I know, it's just non-physical sex.
Cool.
Sweet.
I'm trying to bust a nut with my mind.
What?
Welcome, everybody. We're here today to talk about Tantra. Tantra is a philosophy that goes back at least 6,000 years, probably till the beginning of time. And in Tantra, we try to get the whole body sexualized. Now, one of the ways that's different between conventional sex and tantric sex is that it's not just the genitals, it's not just the eyes, but the whole body becomes sexualized. So what we're gonna do is do an exercise now where we're gonna practice with the breath, bringing the breath down and sexualizing the whole body. Is anybody up for that?
Yes.
All right. We're gonna practice breathing through our genitals. So let's bring the air down all the way down and then out. Okay, does anybody have a word for how they're feeling right now?
I don't think I'm doing it right.
I don't think I'm doing it right. What's another word?
Tingling.
Tingling.
I'm trying to fucking
Vibration.
tingle.
How are you doing?
Unsure.
Unsure, okay. Okay, so if the ladies would all choose a partner and sit in front of your partner. But we're gonna actually look in each other's eyes and gaze so that we can look beyond the physical person into their soul. All right, here we go.
Are we allowed to talk to our partner?
Nope. Look inside at that beauty, the beauty of this person that they don't often share with anyone. This person has had their heart broken, just like you.
Oh, was that 11th grade?
Almost all the time we're judging each other from the outside. Look inside. This person feels not secure all the time, just like you.
Hey, everybody here has nice eyes. Mine's just normal brown.
What's the point of this exercise? Start to see different things.
Might see the demon in me. You never know.
All right, how about another exercise with a little connecting? Ladies are gonna ask, what scares you about women?
What scares you about women?
Nothing. I love them.
One more time.
What scares you about women?
How they can take my heart and play with my feelings, and I have no control over it.
We're gonna sit a little closer with our bodies. And gentlemen, with little butterfly fingers, let her know that in this moment you are entirely safe.
I'm a ninja, you're saying. I'm like Denzel Washington in Man on Fire.
We're gonna do an exercise now. Again, we're trying to wake up and sexualize our whole bodies. What we're gonna do is called Kundalini shaking. Okay, everybody just shake a little bit right now. We're gonna try to loosen up the pelvis, okay? Yeah, we're gonna try to shake the pelvis
Like Shakira.
and just let the shaking happen as much as possible. Come on, let's go. Harder, faster. Shake yourself awake. Feel that energy moving. Move, shake, go crazy.
You're
Wake
not my
up.
father!
Those bodies are alive. Your sex energy's flowing through your body. Yeah, alive.
I like those moves, E.
That's good. Let's move in on these guys. Come on, let's move in. Come on.
Shake me.
Come on, shake them, shake them.
Take me
shake
away.
'em. There we go.
Lend me your energy.
There we go, yes. Stop right where you are. Take your eyes inside your body and look around and feel your aliveness pulsing. This is what it feels like when your body's really got juice running through it. Anybody want to call out a word for how they feel right now?
Sexy and grown. That's two, I'm sorry, but you know.
Moist.
That's a crazy word.
So in Tantra, we often do the namaste. You do this in yoga too. It means the God in me sees the God in you.
Ooh, I like that.
Namaste.
right. So we can thank each other this way.
Godspeed, thanks to God and you.
Hey, namaste.
Thank you
I'm
for
saying
coming
no
today.
something,
Thank you for
I'm
sharing
sure.
your love.